Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make instant Barnyard Millet Appam. This is a very delicious recipe with no compromise in the regular taste of the Aapams. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 cup of Barnyard millet. Dry roast the millet for 5 minutes in low flame until you start to get a nice aroma. It's been 5 minutes and our barnyard millet is well roasted and ready. So off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Then transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it to a fine powder. Keep this ready. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of lukewarm water. To this add a teaspoon of yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well. Let this rest for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and the yeast is activated. Keep this ready as well. To a mixer jar, add 1 cup of steamed rice. You can use leftover rice. 1 cup of the barnyard millet flour. 1 tablespoon of coconut. Half teaspoon of salt and the yeast mixture. Grind this well. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. Now our barnyard millet appam batter is ready. Now let's check out how to make the appams. Heat a appam pan and pour in a ladle full of appam batter. Spread it like this. Close it with a lid and let this cook for 15 seconds. It's been 15 seconds, so let's now open and check. Now our barnyard millet appams are nicely done, so let's now remove it. Now our delicious and soft barnyard millet appam is ready. You can serve this with either coconut milk and sugar or with some chicken or egg masala. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this instant barnyard millet appam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.